Hello guys, this is Mr. Aguilar here. Today we're going to be talking about an exterior angle theorem. This is an extension for what we did talking about triangles. Here we go. There's the theorems. These are some of the notes. The measure, so the exterior angle theorem tells us that the measure of the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the measures of the two remote interior angles. So if we're looking up here and we want to be able to identify what we're looking at, we want to be able to see here that we're getting our remote angles being B and A. Okay, our remote angles there will equal to the exterior angle on this outside right here. Okay, we definitely want to be able to see that. It'll always be located on the outside of the angle of the triangle. The exterior angle will always be located on the outside of the triangle. We can identify two consecutive angles or angles that are near each other and identify the remote angle. Plug in and solve. So the sum of the two, in this case A and B, will equal to the exterior angle, which is considered DCB of our angle. Okay. Go ahead and take your time and copy that down. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that. Looking at these two, we want to be able to identify how to apply these problems and identify the remote angle first and then identify the exterior angle. So when we're looking up here on problem number 1, we want to be able to identify that R and S, okay, R and S are our remote angles, and the angle that's always on the outside of our triangle that we want to solve out will be our exterior angle. So in this case, it's asking us to solve for 1. One thing that we're going to be able to do here is we're going to go ahead and say angle R, which is 60, plus angle S, which is 80, is equal to, I'm just going to say T for exterior angle, angle T. Okay. We want to be able to add these up. 60 plus 180 is going to be 140, which is equal to angle T. This is also what we want to be able to see here. We're going to go ahead and take that out, and our 140 will be our angle. This will be taken and plugged in here. The other one is slightly harder, not by much. Again, identify your remote and exterior angles. Our remote angles in this case will be angle B and angle A. They're located on the inside of our triangle, away from the exterior angle. Our exterior angle in here will be 145. Okay, we're going to go ahead, add the 2 on the inside. So we're going to get 2x plus 95 is equal to 145. This is just like solving out equations. We're going to go ahead and subtract out 95 from both sides. 95. Okay, 145 minus 95 is going to be 50. Our 95 and 95 will cancel each other out. 2x down below. Divide both sides by 2. X will be equal to 25. Okay, if it asks you to plug it back in, we can definitely do that. In this case, we'll just leave it as our variable x. Okay, we're going to try more of these problems in class, and good luck.